Hello everyone. Welcome to our video today where we're going to tackle a common challenge that many of us face when working with documents, copying data from a PDF file into an Excel spreadsheet. If you've ever found yourself struggling to transfer information from a PDF into a format that's easier to work with, then this video is for you. In today's digital age, we're constantly dealing with different types of files and formats, and sometimes it can be frustrating when they don't seem to play nicely together. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to copy data from a PDF file into an Excel spreadsheet with ease. So, let's dive in. In this video, we're going to cover the steps involved in copying data from a PDF file into an Excel spreadsheet. We'll explore the different methods available, and I'll share some tips and tricks to make the process smoother. When it comes to copying data from a PDF file into an Excel spreadsheet, there are a few different approaches you can take. The method you choose will depend on the complexity of your PDF file and the level of accuracy you need. First, let's talk about the simplest approach, manual entry. If you only have a small amount of data to transfer, it might be quickest to simply retype it into your Excel spreadsheet. This method is straightforward, but it can be time-consuming and prone to errors if you're dealing with large amounts of data. A more efficient way to copy data from a PDF file is by using an optical character recognition (OCR) tool.ai. OCR software can read the text in your PDF file and convert it into editable text that you can then paste into Excel. There are many free OCR tools available online, or you can use a paid software like Adobe Acrobat. Another approach is to use a conversion tool specifically designed for converting PDFs to Excel files. These tools often have built-in OCR capabilities and can save you time by automatically formatting the data into columns and rows. If your PDF file contains tables or other structured data, you might be able to use a technique called table recognition. This involves using software that can recognize the layout of a table in your PDF file and convert it directly into an Excel spreadsheet. Let's look at an example to illustrate this. Suppose we have a PDF file containing a table with sales data for different regions. Using a conversion tool or OCR software, we can extract the data from the PDF and paste it into an Excel spreadsheet. The resulting spreadsheet will contain the same layout as the original table, making it easy to analyze and manipulate. To summarize, there are several ways to copy data from a PDF file into an Excel spreadsheet. Manual entry for small amounts of data. Using OCR software or tools to convert text in your PDF file to editable text. Utilizing conversion tools specifically designed for converting PDFs to Excel files. Employing table recognition techniques if your PDF contains structured data. When choosing a method, consider the complexity of your PDF file and the level of accuracy you need. And there you have it. By now, you should know exactly how to copy data from a PDF file into an Excel spreadsheet. Whether you choose to use manual entry, OCR software, conversion tools, or table recognition techniques, I hope this video has given you the confidence and skills to tackle even the most challenging document conversion. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe for more content on productivity and workflow optimization. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We're always here to help.